I have in my hand here Bella cocoa butter, and I have in my hand here Kojie San lightening soap. In my previous video, I think somewhere last week, I gave my honest review on Bella cocoa butter, how you can use it to nourish your skin, how you can use it to maintain your skin tone, and how you can also use it to clear marks on your skin. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Bella cocoa butter with Kojie San lightening soap to glow the skin as a dark skin person and a caramel skin person. The most important thing about these two combination is that it will help you glow your skin, it will help you nourish your skin, and it will also help you to clear marks and spots on your skin, because the Kojie San is a very good soap that clears dark spots on the face and dark spots on the skin as well. So beautiful people, my name is Lartini. In today's video, I will be sharing with you who is supposed to use these two combination, Bella cocoa butter and Kojie San lightening soap. I'll share with you guys the roles these two combo or these two combination plays on the skin, and I'll also share with you guys how you can use these two products very well as a dark skin person or a caramel skin person to glow your skin. And I'll also share with you how you can use it very well to nourish your skin or to glow your skin, and the side effect of not using these two combination well. Kojie San lightening soap is made with carrot, citric acid, kojic acid, and other healthy lightening ingredients. Okay, it clears hyperpigmentation as well. It clears dark spots on the face, it clears dark spots on the skin, it lightens the skin very well, and it brightens the skin very well. This Kojie San soap is recommended for normal skin people, a combination skin people, a dry skin people, and an oily skin people, but it's not recommended for sensitive skin people. A dark skin person can use this soap, a caramel skin person can use this soap. In fact, everybody can use this soap. A male can use it and a female can use it as well. And this is Bella cocoa butter. It clears stretch marks on the skin, it nourishes the skin, it makes the skin soft, it makes the skin smooth as well. So all you have to do is to bath with the Kojie San soap. I'm taking it off from the box. So this is how the soap is. That's the original one. When you are buying the original one, make sure this place is sealed. Okay. And moreover, when you take it off from the box, there's a rubber on it. I took off the rubber. I took off the rubber. There's a rubber sealed on it. Okay. So you have to open the rubber first before you use the soap on your skin. So if you open it and there is no rubber on it, then you have to know that it's not the original one. Okay, if there is rubber on it sealed like this, then it's the original one. Okay, so all you have to do is to bath with this Kojie San lightening soap morning and evening. Then after bathing, you have to massage your Bella cocoa butter on your skin. And this lotion is in 1,000 ml container, which can last you more than 3 months, 4 months to 5 months and above. Some people even use it to 8 months because it's big. Yes, and this is the Kojie soap. This one can last you just like a month to 2 months, depending on how you are going to use it. Okay, so you use the soap morning and evening, and you use the Bella cocoa butter to morning and evening. The roles these two combo plays on the skin is that it's lighting the skin, it glows the skin, it nourishes the skin. The soap removes dead skin cell, the soap exfoliates the skin, the soap make the skin very soft, and the cream also glows the skin, it nourishes the skin, it moisturizes the skin, it gives you that kind of healthy skin glow, and it also um gives you a shiny skin tone as well. The side effect I've noticed about these two combo is that it makes you sweat very well. And the Kojie lightening soap, if you don't use it very well and you expose the skin under the sun, you end up having sunburn on the skin. And if you use the soap direct on the face too, you might feel burns on the face. Okay, so don't use the soap direct on the face. Just get a face towel, use the soap on it, add water to it, and use it to wash your face. Okay, so you are supposed to use the soap morning and evening, then the Bella cocoa butter to morning and evening. So beautiful people, if you have ever used these two combination before, you can share it under the video as well. And please, if you are new here, I'll plead with you to kindly subscribe to my channel or turn on your notification so that anytime I drop a video here, you will be the first person to receive a notification from me. And to my return subscribers, thank you for coming, thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you all. If you want to buy the Kojie San soap in quantity, please, I sell the original one, and you can buy the quantity from me, Lartini Skincare. If you want to get in touch with Lartini Skincare, you can please search us on Instagram at Lartini Skincare, on Facebook at Lartini Skincare, on TikTok at Lartini Skincare. The fastest way to get in touch with me is on WhatsApp 0271594053. We ship to all nationwide. Distance is not a problem. Wherever you are, we can deliver to you. Okay, so grab this Kojie San soap and use it with your cream, your lotion, or any mild product, and trust me, you are not going to regret using it. So this two combo is best for dark skin people, for caramel skin people who wants to glow their skin. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.